here we got the Skyliners right there. You can spot the sign. Let me see if I can zoom in as close as possible. Hello guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And for the Disney blog, we just wanted to report on an update with the Ratatouille ride being brought here to EPCOT the summer of 2020 to the France Pavilion. Right, Molly?
Yes, so the new Ratatouille ride is going to be a replica of the one that they have in Disneyland in France right now. However, it's really cool because it's a trackless ride, which is pretty new in terms of how attractions work. Rise Over the Resistance is trackless, and so will Guardians of the Galaxy be, I think. But other than that, it's pretty cool, pretty new, and it's going to shrink you down to the size of a mouse and bring you through Remy's adventure.
Yeah, it's very exciting because just this past week they actually put in the Gusteau sign. So I'll show you real quickly. Over there in the distance, on the back side of EPCOT, this back entrance, you'll see here we got the Skyliners right there. You can spot the sign. Let me see if I can zoom in as close as possible. There it is. You can see the Gusteau sign right over there. Obviously, it's a beautiful day out today with the boats in the water and me being ridiculous, but it's exciting. It's very exciting because EPCOT, as Molly mentioned, is going through some massive transformations over the next 2 years. I don't even know when they're going to be fully done with all of it, but the park is a little nutty right now.
Yeah, a lot of construction going on, a lot of renovation, but in about 6 months to a year, this place is going to be awesome.
Yeah, it's very exciting because I'll tell you, I've always wanted to be shrunken down to the size of a rat. Because then it would make me currently feel taller than I am. Whatever. Point being, ride opens this summer. No official actual date has been announced.
Not yet.
Yeah. As of right now, we just know summer of 2020. But the Gusteau sign is up. The construction is fully underway. And if you really want a great view of it, ride the Skyliner.
Hop on the Skyliner. And you get to see all that backstage magic happening.
Backstage magic. But we hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content, continue to follow along the Disney blog and follow us over at Jared and Molly, where we post weekly videos of Disney and more. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And yeah, cheese.